Hello, I'm June Getzinger, the Sales Builder Pro app trainer here at Intelligent Mobile Support. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to build a ProConnect HVAC proposal using the Sales Builder Pro app. Touch the navigation menu icon. Select Quick Proposal from the menu. On the Quick Proposal pop-up, the customer name is required. Customer number, lead source, and job number are optional. If you know the original dispatch number, you can enter that in the customer field. If you know the LSC, enter it in the job number field. On the Customer tab, fill in all necessary information. Information entered here will autofill in the customer quote and ProConnect membership form. Android users, you will move through the tabs displayed at the top of your view or swipe through the views. Move to the Company tab, and then we'll move to the Option 1 tab to select our equipment. We'll build our AHRI system on the System tab. If you were quoting only a component, you would use the Components tab. You're going to add your cooling components first. You'll touch the word type to open the drop-down. Select your type. We'll tap on the word manufacturer, tap on the word model, tap on the coil, move on to the heating section, and select your heating components. You can touch on the brochure image to open the brochure. In the More area, your AHR number populates on the System tab. You can also add notes for the option. Your system price will display after all the system components have been selected. Touch the words Total Product Discount to enter Authorized Repair Credit. Enter a down payment if a down payment is received. Complete Option 2 and Option 3 if you are presenting more than one option to your customer. At this point, you may choose to present the Power Pay Financing Program option. To do that, you'll go back to your navigation menu, scroll to the Financing section, select Power Pay Financing. Android users select on the Android web link. iOS users can just use a straight link to the website. After showing the customer the website information, close the website and return to the proposal. Move to the Summary tab. This is a side-by-side comparison of all three options. Move on to the Accessory tab. On the Accessory tab, to select a thermostat, you'll touch the add sign, tap on the words Nest 3 to open up other options that are available to be added to this quote. Select the thermostat and the options you want the thermostat applied to. Move to the Add-ons tab. Select your modifications for the install. Move to the Materials tab. Add any additional materials and add the sale price as well. At this point, you'll present the ProConnect membership agreement to your customer. You will return to the navigation menu, select View Schedule, and tap on the customer name. Touch the Open Form button to open the ProConnect membership agreement. In the Agreement view, scroll to the View Agreement button. At this point, the customer should read the membership agreement and accept the agreement on the tablet and select a date. Your next step will be to view the form to email it to the customer. Touch the View button to open the PDF in your tablet PDF viewer. Use your PDF viewer action to email the form to the customer. After you email it to the customer, close the PDF viewer, close the form, use the back arrow to return to the proposal. Move to the Signature tab. On the Signature tab, you can add free-form notes in the Notes and Payment area. You can select one or more options in the total investment area. You scroll to the bottom, you can view the quote PDF. To return to the Signature tab, hit the back arrow. If you would like to present this quote to your customers as a systems price, scroll to the Final Notes section, open it up, and turn off Show Line Item Pricing. Be sure and select a method of payment. If they are pursuing Power Pay financing, please have the customer initial and indicate the number of years they will be pursuing. If the customer is not interested in the HVAC upgrade and wants to proceed with their warranty authorized repair, please have them initial this final note. Please add an estimated install date using the date picker. Before emailing the quote to the customer, you will need to sign the quote. This validates the quote and locks the values down. If you open this quote at a later date, the software will automatically create a new quote for you. Now you can email the quote to the customer. Tap Email. And your final step is to return to the navigation menu to complete the sales call. You'll view the schedule, tap on the customer's name, tap on Completed, and select a completion code. Once the job is completed, you will receive a back office email. You will also receive a back office email each time you revise this quote at any date in the future. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to learn more about Sales Builder Pro, please visit our website at www.imobilesupport.com. Have a great day.